To go to the source panel, you need to double click on their video and then the source window will open. The source window has exact the same properties as the project window but with few minor differences. We can pan and move around this panel by middle clicking and dragging with the mouse. And we can zoom in and out using the mouse scroll wheel. This is the fit range percentage drop down, which lets you change the view scale of your footage in the source panel according to your preferences. This is time slider, which allowed us to view all the frames and the entire duration of our footage object. These are the timer numbers, time for. You can check, control and view the total duration of your footage from here. These are the in and out buttons. Simply add an in point at the start frame you want and an out point at the last frame. Then you have two options. If you want just the video, just the audio, you can drag either one into your timeline. This is the insert button. With this, you can directly insert your selected footage into the timeline whenever your player head slider is positioned on the timeline. If there is an existing clip, it will insert the new footage right in the middle and splitting the original clip, pushing the rest forward. This is the override button. With this, we can bring your selected footage into the timeline override, replacing whatever is underneath without pushing the rest of the timeline. This is the screen capture. Export frame. It's allowed to take a screenshot of a specific frame in your source panel whenever your player head slider in current position. These buttons or your tools icons. Button editor, you can impose more tools here. Reset the layout. This is the playback button. You can use it to preview your video right inside the source file. If you want to remove the in and out points, you can simply right click and click on clear in and out to remove them. If you want me to create a complete editing course for you from basic to pro, including a fun introduction to Premiere Pro, basic layout, downloading, setup, cinematic editing and motion graphics, then leave a comment for me. Based on your interest and response, I will decide when to create and release it for you.